Hey guys, so Bear has just dropped another major update, 2.2, which has some useful functionalities and 4 new themes. Let's discover them. So, in this update, if you hover over the headings, you should see this collapsible icon here, and if you press on it, it will collapse all the content inside your heading. This works on any heading, like heading 1 to 6, and also on ordered and unordered lists. So here in my ordered list, I have some items which has children. For example, second, I can collapse this now. And the third also has some children which has relative children's, which I can collapse any of these. Another one which is very useful for engineers and coders is now you can copy all the contents of the code blocks. So if you hover over your code block, you should see on the corner here, copy code. If I press copy, then I create another block of code. I can paste it anywhere. This is going to be useful. And also the last thing is the shortcut key. If you are inside the code block, if you press Command A, it will only select all the contents and text inside your code block. If you press it for the second time, it will select all your content in the note itself. About the new themes, there are 4 of them which appeared on the bottom of the list. This is cappuccino, I think, macchiato, which is quite nice. It's quite dark and eye-pleasing. Another cappuccino latte, Groovebox, and Tokyo Night Light, which is a legacy of Tokyo Night Dark. Give them a try and let me know what you think of them, and I'll see you in the next one.